Right, I'm PB Plumber. I'm here today at Toolfair in Harrogate with Lawton Tubes. We're promoting the sustainability of copper used as a plumbing material, but I'm also showing people how to make some cool copper hearts. So, you need 2 lengths of copper tube. These are both 350mm long. And all you're going to do, pop it in your pipe bender. About 15mm from the end of the hook there. So about 15mm showing, and then just bend a 90 on it. And then, if you can see where I've bent the copper, it goes thinner, but then when it comes back out to the original thickness, you need to measure from that line 95mm. So with a tape measure, from that line there where the copper starts to get thick again, 95mm. And this is the most important measurement. You do that on both of your bent pieces of copper. And that mark you've made goes on the edge of the former there. And then pull another 90, and as you do it you'll see it follows the form around and makes a perfect 180 bend. Now I've designed this, the reason we did 350mm is for minimal wastage, so I shouldn't have to cut anything off this side. But I have got to cut this one as short as possible, because the idea is we're going to have an elbow on there, so just enough pipe that you can push an elbow on. So that's the only wastage of copper. But copper is 99.9% recyclable, so it doesn't really matter. And then we've got the 2 halves of the heart. So all I need to do now is I've got 2 elbows. And like with any plumbing, you might have to tweak it a bit if it doesn't go exactly. Depends on how accurate you were with your 90 degrees, because we do them by eye. But it should push together perfectly to make a heart.